am here today to teach you how to create a Gmail account and to get it set up with YouTube. So first, you'll want to be on Google's homepage, which we are, and we're going to click the sign in button that's on the top right corner. After clicking that, it'll bring you to the sign in page. If you already have a Gmail account, you can skip this process and we can continue afterwards. But for now, we're going to create a new account. You can either do for myself or to manage my business. I'm going to create it for myself. So here we're going to type in our information, which would be our first name and then our last name. And here you can create a new Gmail account. However, if you already have a professional email that you use for all your other accounts, click use my current email address instead, or even if you don't want to create a Gmail account. So I'm going to use my school email account. Next, we're going to type in a secure password and make sure you can remember it. Awesome. We're going to click next. And now, since I use an email account that's already been created, it's probably going to go into my email and it's going to go into my spam folder. Everyone's code's going to be unique, so make sure you follow this to the email that you get. After verifying that, we are going to enter in more personal information. Your phone number is optional, however, you will need to provide your birthday and your gender. Next, simple, you're going to agree to the privacy and terms after you read it all. Click I agree, and beautiful, you have now created your account. Now that our account is created, you can see you have your Gmail tab, Images tab, our waffle, and your account information. Let's go back to the waffle. Here it'll show you all the apps you have connected to your Google account. But today we're going to go and explore YouTube. So here is your home YouTube page. However, it typically doesn't sign you in right away. So again, you're going to want to go to the top right corner and click sign in. It should automatically do it for you. Perfect. Up here you have a little camera which you can upload a video or go live. We have another little waffle for YouTube TV, music, kids, and artists. And then you have a little bell for all your notifications. And then if you click on this little icon, it'll be different for everyone. You will have all your options for your account setting and for your YouTube channel. For now, we are going to create our YouTube channel. Here you want to upload a professional picture and name your channel. Since this will be my channel, I'm going to be keeping it as Brenna Smith. Click Create Channel, and it'll load for a few seconds. And here's your home page. So again, you have your homes where you can upload a video. This will show all your videos once you have some. You can create specific playlists if it all relates to one topic. You can feature other channels, and this is where your about would be. For now, we're going to go and start customizing our channel. Welcome to your channel customization, known as the YouTube Studio. Here you can see your channel customization with the layout. You're able to provide a trailer for people who haven't subscribed to give them a little hint to what your channel is about. Or you can have a featured video. You can also have featured sections. For example, you can have short videos or uploads. And you can also add or change different sections. Next will be your branding. You have your picture, your banner image, and your video watermark. Your picture will be your profile picture, and this is what will pop up if you make a comment or post a video. This is your banner image. This will appear across the top of your channel. And your video watermark will appear on the videos in your right-hand corner of the player. They also provide the perfect dimensions to get the perfect quality picture for your branding. Next, we'll move into basic information. Here, you can change your name if needed. You can write a description. So let's just write, "Hi, I'm a student." Here you'll have your channel URL, and this is what you can copy and paste onto different social medias or comments or anything you need to redirect people to your channel. Here you can add links. A lot of people include their other social media, so you can add your Instagram account right here. Enter the URL for your profile, but since I don't have one right now, I'm just going to delete this. And here you're able to put in your contact information. It's asking for your email address. Once I'm content with everything, I'm just going to publish it. Now that we've finished our channel customization, I'm going to give you a guide on your sidebar. First, you have your dashboard. This is an overview of everything essentially right in this little area. Here you can upload a video, view your channel analytics. YouTube will talk about their known issues. You can view Creator Inside and what's new in the studio. Even up here, you can upload videos or decide to go live. Next, we'll be viewing content. Now this will be a list of all the content you posted on your channel. You can see the video by name, the visibility, if there's any restrictions. You can organize it by date, see how many people viewed your video, the comments, and the likes versus dislike ratio. Next, we'll head into playlist. As mentioned before, you can have different playlists for your channel. If something relates to a certain topic, you'll click New Playlist, decide on the title, and then debate the visibility. Public means anyone can see it and anyone can search for it and it will pop up. Private means that you will need a special link to access it. Unlisted means it won't show up when you search or appear on your channel. Next is analytics. Since we don't have any videos posted right now, not much will change. This will show the views, the watch time, and subscribers. Now we'll be talking about the reach. Here you can see the impressions, the click-through rate, the views, unique viewers, and other special details all listed down below. There's the engagement tab, which you can see of watch time and average view duration, and the audience, who are returning viewers, who are considered unique, and who are subscribers. Next, we'll be going to the comments. As you can see, there are comments that could be held for review, and after 60 days they'll be removed and you can view which ones you can publish. And there's some that you haven't responded to yet. Now we'll be going to subtitles. You have your drafts and you have your published. Here you can make a copyright removal request. Next we'll be talking about monetization. You can grow with YouTube here and you'll be able to make money after reaching these certain requirements. We already talked about our customization, but a quick go through again. And the audio library. YouTube provides endless amount of audio effects to use in your videos. That's it for the side profile. Next, we'll be discussing settings. The first one is general, and it talks about default units. The next tab will be channel, which talks about your basic information. You get to decide the country of your residence and any keywords. The following would be advanced settings. YouTube has a policy where you have to state if your channel is made for kids. So you either get to decide, yes, this channel is made for kids, and the content you will always be posting is for kids, or you'll never post kid content, or it depends on the video. Next would be feature eligibility. The next tab would be upload defaults. Here you can add a title that describes your video, a description, your visibility, and as mentioned before, public means anyone can search the video, it'll pop up in the results, and it'll be shown on your channel. Private means people need a specific link, and unlisted means it will not show up on your channel or in search results. And then you can add tags to describe your videos. If you're posting an educational video, you might as well post educational. And there you go, you will have a tag. Next, you want to go into advanced settings, and here you can allow automatic chapters when they're available. There are different YouTube license, and you can have different categories. So for this, I would say it's educational. You can select your video language, your caption certification, and title and descriptive language, and your comments. There's different options here. You can allow all comments, you can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. That is up to your preference. And then you also have the other choice to show how many viewers like this video. Now would be permissions. This allows me to invite people to either delete the channel, add other people, remove people, and edit anything. Here in the Community tab, we have automated filters. There's one for moderators, approved users, hidden users, and blocked words. You can even block links. Within defaults, again, we talk about the comments here, and you have the potential to hide any inappropriate chat messages for reviews. Here is a small information about creator demographics and just the YouTube terms of service agreement. Now that we discussed about your channel settings, now we're going to discuss your account settings. You're going to click on the little icon, you're going to go down and click on settings. Here you'll be brought to your account. You can see your channel status and features, which would bring you back to your studio, and the settings that we discussed previously. You would be able to create a new channel if you would like, and a view advanced settings, which will bring you down to this tab. We will go over that shortly. Here you can see your Google account, and you can change the settings here, or you can get your YouTube Premium membership. Next would be notifications being sent to your email account and onto your YouTube account, from subscriptions, recommended videos, activities, so on and so forth. Here are your email notifications, along with permissions and preferences. Playback and performance. You can control your video viewing experience with info cards, subtitles and closed captions, and browsing. With your privacy, you can manage what you share on YouTube. You can keep all your saved playlists private, or keep all your subscriptions private. You can connect apps through this tab, which can expand your experience. You can go to billing and payments, so if you need to make a quick purchase, you can enable it, and you can learn more about that later on. And here are the advanced settings. Here's your user ID, here's your channel ID. And if you would like, you can change your channel to a brand account. Or if somehow, in some reason why, you want to delete your channel, you would click this button.